Smart lists help you create views that keep important contacts at the forefront, ensuring you have quick access to their information and can easily share the focused view with your team. And now you create them in opportunities. Let's learn how. Let's learn how to create and share smart lists to handle your opportunities. Head to Opportunities, click Plus List, and select Board View or List View. Name your smart list, then apply the filters, sorting, and fields you want. Select the pipelines you want the smart list to show on, then click Create. Click Customize List, then head to Sharing and Permissions to share it with other team members. This feature reduces repetitive setup for teams working in opportunities, helping you standardize pipeline views across users and giving you added control over their organization. This feature helps teams quickly switch between the opportunity views they use most, giving you all the comfort of smart lists you are used to from the contacts views. We hope you enjoy it.